Hey, welcome back, my amazing student. So in the last lecture, we cut it a little bit shorter than usual without finishing the whole thing that we were about to finish. And when I said about to finish, meaning that we missed this mark button here that needs to also send data to the back end and do what it needs to do. It needs to change color as well, and depending on what we click, right? So if we click this guy here, this is supposed to be green as well, right? Because this is today's date. Well, today's Wednesday. But anyway, let's play around with this. And in the index, what I want to do is I'm not going to fool around too much with this. I'm going to copy this guy into the button right here, all this. And I also want to copy this guy here and put it in the button right there. All right. Now, when I go back and I refresh, we have this day issue here because this here is not available as it was in here, right? Because here we are looping through days, right, to get that data. So what I'm going to do is go back in here, and so we don't want to loop through days, right? We don't want to create another loop just to do that, since we don't need to. We don't have access to that loop because that loop has to do with all the buttons, right? We only have one button here, only one per habit. So one thing that I want to do is I also want to put the toggle here so that I can select this guy with my JavaScript down below. But anyway, let's go back in here and inside the what is the index? What is the index? Where is the index? I think right here. What I want to do is I want to make sure that I have today as well here and pass it in to my template. So today, just like that. So now if I refresh here, we still have this problem because we have day and we need to call it today, right? So this will be today. Just like that. And that should work. That should give us, awesome. Let's go up a little bit. All right. So now what I can do, one thing that I need to do also is I need to create one of these guys on the top here as well for this button right above here. Now I cannot call it on because on is for this here. Remember, this is a temporary variable in Jinja. This is how we do that in Jinja. But what I can do is I can call it something else. I can say checked, right? Something like this, checked. Yeah. And here, instead of checking on, we're going to check checked. There we go. Now, if I refresh and I mark this done, it's working, but the color is not changing in here. But you can see that that's actually working for this guy, right? It's not working for this button specifically. So let's work on that. So let's go ahead and update this guy as well. And I think that's it. Refresh, and that's it. You can see now, that works. Right? Mark done. Perfect. Guys, the feature is done. Really good job today, guys. I hope that you were able to follow me. Very easy stuff. Once you break everything down, like I'm breaking it, you should have no problem understanding it. Very good job. Keep going. Be consistent. I'll see you in the next lecture, guys. Be ready to war and create this application and finish it. I'll see you guys on the other side in the next lecture.